My name is Joanna Jensen and I'm the founder and chairman of Child's Farm. There are a plethora of conversations going on about mental health at the moment, and I think there will always be more work to be done. Right now, people are experiencing things that they've never experienced before. It's like the beginnings of the First World War. Something's happening, but it's not necessarily happening as close to you or you truly understand it. We need to be more empathetic, we need to listen, we need to have availability of people who can help those who are nervous, not sure about their next steps, who are unsettled about circumstances as they unravel. So yes, we all need to do more, and expectation will be that we do provide more. So what's impacting mental health at the moment that we should change? And I genuinely think we are all beholden to social media. It is putting too much pressure, particularly on the young. Their expectation not only of how you look and how you're perceived to look, but also what you should and should not do, popularity. It's inciting too much of people. Never before have we seen so much pressure on young people. I think social media needs to be regulated. I think there needs to be clear guidance and understanding about how it can affect people's mental health. And I think we need to be shown the choices that are available to us as parents or as minors. It needs to be taken much more seriously because so much damage is being done. And if you look at the suicide rates amongst the young, directly linked to when social media became prevalent on their mobile phones, it's a worrying statistic. So there, I would say, is the single most important focus we can all spend our time on. Trying to find balance is incredibly hard for all of us. For me, it's all about being outside. I love the fresh air, countryside, walking the dogs. It is like being physically grounded, walking along the earth. And it acts as a form of meditation. For me, that ability to walk, having a steady pace, looking around the earth, feeling in touch with everything that's happening around me, that recharges my batteries, it re-energizes me, it gives me sort of a form of peace. And I would strongly recommend it. Even if you don't have access to farmland to walk over, find a nice green park. Green is a wonderfully soothing colour. Even in the dead of winter, you will find something green in colour. Enjoy it, embrace it. I think it can work wonders for your inner peace.